Okay, behind me is I don't know, the main train. This is the front. That's what's pulling us, right? I forgot sorry, I haven't slept much. Myanmar Rail, okay? I'm going from Golden Rock back to Yangon, but today the train is more full and it's more exciting. Hold on, I'm gonna do the video again. I'm gonna hold on to this metal wall. Okay. That's the engine right there. Oh, he's got hit by a road. That's the engine right there. I'm on the front. The train is very, very long, and I'm gonna walk from the engine to back of the train. Okay, here we go. This is third class. Third class seats are wood. Okay, here we go. And I noticed that this is the mail post. Oh, excuse me. This right here is the mail. Myanmar Rail. Okay. All right, here we go. Now this is the third class. Now from here, hello. The guy selling boiled eggs. He's selling boiled eggs, and he's collecting water bottles to recycle. Okay. No smoking area, penalties apply. Okay, but they just ignore that. Oh my god. Somebody selling fresh vegetables. Okay. I would have to say this is second class. You saw the wooden chairs, that's the third class, and the blue one would be the second class. The floor of the train on this section is the wood. You see this? This is wood, and this is second class. Hello. Oh, the train was. I hope it doesn't derail. There are monks on the train. They can sit where they want, and everybody kind of gives them water and food. Okay, let me see. See, that's the. I don't think you can see it from here. I think I just came from like 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Now this is still the blue one, and this is still the second class. Oh. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me. Okay, thank you. Now this is one of the bathrooms. Is anybody in here? Someone's in there? Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Now this is the rail. This is the bathroom. You can't really see it, but this is the one that you squat down. But still, there's a hole on the bottom. And to be honest, it does not smell. It actually smells good. There's no, because there is a running water. The hose is in there. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay, there are bicycles here. And this is upper class. Hello? Hello. How are you? Oh, I'm making video for YouTube. Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Nice guys. They drank some beer. They're having fun. Okay. As you can see, this is upper class. There's the green ones. There's 2 and 1 here. This is upper class. I think this is a 6th car. This could be 6 or 7. Yeah, I'm still going. I'm gonna walk to the back of the train to get the. I'm gonna walk to the back of the train trying to get pictures. Oh, somebody's selling crickets, I think. I can't eat crickets. There's a monk on the floor. Okay, now here's a better picture of the upper class seats. This is the one, it goes back. It's actually comfortable. Believe it or not, there are 2 windows. Well, hold on, let me get a view. not a good view right now because it's a lot of trees. I know this video is shaking, but let me try to. I'm doing my best to not to shake the phone because, you know, when I watch video and it shakes, it kind of gives me headache. Oh, these leaves right here, and that right there, this is what the Burmese, they chew, the red ones, and they spit it. When you go to Yangon and you walk across the street, you'll see red spots all over the street because they chew and they spit. Hello, how are you? Minglava. Okay, so that's yeah. They chew it and they spit it. It goes all over the floor. It's like chewing tobacco, but much stronger. Okay, I think I can get a picture of video of the. No, nothing here yet. Okay, still going. Now, believe it or not, the train is very long. This is probably the 8th car, I think. I gotta watch the video again to count how many cars that is in the. I mean, the train it must be older than I am. It's at least 50 years old. It's got rust, but it still runs, you know? Oh. Okay. Now, this is now second class again. Remember the blue chairs? This is a second class. Okay, the blue chairs are second class. We're going to third class again. It's not in order. First class, second class, third class. It's random because I saw second class, I saw first class, third class, then back to first class, and back to second class. It's all random. Oh, I smell cigarettes. I smell smoke. It kind of smells funky. I hope it's, well, it doesn't matter. It could be cigarettes, it could not. These are wood. It's like 90 degrees. Very, okay, I guess I can't go any further. Okay. There's a man sleeping. Oh, this car is full. I can't go in the back. So this will be the end of the film here. Okay, I can't, I'm blocked. There's a man sleeping on the floor. I can't go. Oh, hello. He's sleeping on the floor. That's actually amazing. That's actually a gift. Wow. So, oh wow. He's okay. This is third class, and I love it. This is all natural, hardwood chairs. There's water on the floor, so as you can see, it's blocked. I can't go any further. Okay, I'm going back to my seat. Because I wanted to go to the end of the train, but it's blocked out. Before I finish the video, hello. Before I finish the video, I'll try to get some videos of the landscape. But this video, I just want to record the train. I mean, even though the train is at least 50 years old, it still runs, it's still strong, and it's still, you know, safe. The doors are wide open. Like literally, you can push somebody off. Don't do it. But hold on, let me hold this one. Hold on a minute. Okay, next to the rail, there is a road. People are driving. Ooh, that's food. That's shrimp and egg, it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna try to go back to my seat. Oh, that's the gentleman that was selling eggs again. Hello? No, excuse me. The train ride from the Golden Rock to Yangon is about 6 hours, but it may vary because they stop along the way. Hold on a minute. Oh, she let me pass. Oh, thank you. Okay, this is a smoking area right here. You can smoke here, but you cannot smoke beyond. Okay, there's no landscape videos because I guess we're going to the mountains right now, so there's no. I can't really get picture of landscape, just the pictures of the train, and you can kind of get a feel. This fan must be older than I am. Seriously, I saw this in movies, like 1960s in US. This one's working. I'm gonna get some. Wait. Feels, but it's all dirty, so I'm gonna. Feels good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. So this is a train. See, there's a metal, it's kind of rusty. Okay, that's. I can get some view of a little town. Okay, that concludes the video for the train. Minglava. That's hello and goodbye in Burmese, I think. Bye.